To use the alarm on your Polar Critics Pro, press the lower left button to reach the menu and press the upper right button to go at the very bottom of the page and select Settings. Then go down to Watch Settings, select, and select Alarm. From here, you will have the option to choose between off, only once, Monday to Friday, or every day. No, it's stupid, but you cannot have it only on Wednesday or just a weekend. It's just like that. So for the example, let's set it to ons. You will then be able to select the time you want to have your alarm. So, I've been a little bit fast. You select the time, the hours, just right here. When you're satisfied, you select it, and then you choose the minute with the up and down button. And again, when you're satisfied, you press the select button, and it says that the alarm will ring in 1 minute. So you got it here at 14:31 and only once. And the way the alarm works is that it starts with a little vibration that will increase every second or maybe 5 seconds. And at some point you will have a chime that will also be stronger and stronger and stronger. The alarm will ring for about 1 minute and then goes off. You will have the ability to snooze or to just shut it down. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching, take care, and see ya.